In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Notion page to create a more personal, aesthetic workspace. We'll start right from a blank page in Notion. Open Notion and create a new page, or select an existing one you'd like to redesign. Once that page is open, look near the top right area of the screen for the three-dot menu. This is your main customization hub. Click that menu to reveal options for layout, font, and other page settings. Inside this menu, find the option labeled Customize Page and click it. This opens a panel where you can control how your page looks and feels. Here you'll see choices for the font style and the overall density of the page. For example, you might see a default font, a more playful rounded font, and a serif option that feels more like a traditional document. Take a moment to click through these and see which matches your style and the purpose of the page. For notes and planning, many people prefer something clean and simple. For formal documents, a serif font can work nicely. In this same area, you can usually toggle options like full width. Turning on full width allows your content to stretch across the entire screen, which is great if you're working with multiple columns, databases, or wider content. If you prefer a more focused, narrow column of text, keep full width turned off. Try switching it on and off so you can immediately see the difference before you settle on what feels best. Next, let's add some personality at the top of your page. Just above the title, you'll see an option to Add Icon. Click that. Notion will open an icon picker where you can either choose from default icons or use your own. Select an icon that represents the purpose of the page, like a book for notes or a calendar for planning. This small touch makes it easier to recognize the page in your sidebar later. Under the icon area, click Add Cover. This adds a large banner image across the top of your page. You can choose from Notion's built-in gallery or upload your own images to match your brand, mood, or project. After adding a cover, you can usually reposition it so that the most important part of the image is visible behind your title. Now, move down into the body of the page. If you want to leave yourself notes about what this page is for, you can use comments. Click on Add Comment near the content area, then type your note in the comment box that appears. Comments are helpful for documenting decisions, leaving reminders, or collaborating with others without cluttering the main content of the page. As you start typing on the page, make use of Notion's /commands to further customize the layout. Type // to bring up options like dividers, callout blocks, or to insert databases. For example, you can add a callout block at the top with a short description of how to use the page, or insert a database and then adjust its properties and views to match your workflow. Once you've set your font, layout, icon, cover, and any initial comments or notes, you've created a customized, functional Notion page. From here, you can keep refining the structure with headings, columns, and databases, but the core visual customization is complete.